You're like a circle that floats around me.
Hello, lovies! Welcome to my new episode of Lazada haul. Ayan, i-unbox natin yung parcel na bili natin sa Lazada. And this is my first parcel. As you can see, ayan, inuksan ko na siya. And yung item is super balot sa bubble wrap. Ayan, napaka-generous na seller. Ayan, safety na safety yung kanyang product. Ayan. As you can see, this is the Kiss Beauty Fit Me Makeup Fix Spray. Ayan. And ito yung second parcel natin from Lazada. So, sa mga nagtatanong about the items, no worries. I'm going to put it on the description box. Lahat ng details, price, link of the shop, kung anong shop siya sa Lazada. So, ayan, as you can see, obviously, this is a bag organizer, document organizer siya. Ayan, and I really love the color combination, gray and black. And the best thing about this product is, napaka space saving niya, ang dami niyang bulsa or pocket sa loob. Ayan, worth it siya sa price. And again, sa price, I am going to put it on the description box. Ayan, may pa-zipper pa siya. So, ayan. And the best thing about this product is, meron siyang, as you can see, yan. I'll show you. Meron siyang built-in lock. Para siyang maleta, mini maleta. Ayan. Ayan guys, you can see, nahirapan pa akong i-lock siya. And guys, thank you so much pala sa inyong support, continued support ninyo sa aking channel and sa lahat ng aking mga vlogs. And finally, na-lock ko na siya. And now, we will proceed on our third parcel. Ayan. Ayan, balot din siya ng bubble wrap. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong seller kasi sinesecure talaga nila yung kanilang mga items para pagdating sa kanilang customer is okay na okay yung condition ng kanilang item. Ayan, as you can see, hair curling iron siya kasi may paggagamitan ako nito. Ayan, ang cute na kanyang box. Very light pastel pink and lalo na yung item. Ayan, meron siyang pa manual or instruction. Ayan, kung paano siya gamitin. Ayan, meron Chinese tsaka English language. At may pa-freebie na super cute na pink at lavender na suklay at hair clips. Ayan, dalawang hair clips. Ayan, and as you can see, yung product super cute niya. The color is white and pink. Ayan, sinukat ko pa siya dahil. Ayan. May on and off. Ayan, yung dalawang pink is sa direction ng left and right, yung rotation. Kung alin ang gusto mong rotate. Ayan, chinek ko din yung cord. Medyo mahaba din yung cord, which is very good. So, ayan guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.
You're like a circle